Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mocha Bombshell. Today is going to be all about the MakeupShayla collection with Colourpop Cosmetics. So this is the eyeshadow palette, and it comes with a mirror and these beautiful shades. Like, you can literally create anything with this palette. And y'all, please excuse my nubs, okay? It also came with this lip gloss. It's called Neat Freak, and it came with two highlighters. One is Boomin' and the other is Pose. It came with 3 lipsticks, and I'm gonna swatch the lipsticks for you. This one is Quickie. It's like a really peachy nude. The next one I'm gonna swatch is Come On Sis. That's really pretty. And then the last one is Ooh. And I can hear her saying this. She always says ooh. Ooh comes out like that. So the highlighters in this collection are beautiful. This palette is beautiful. But I will say this, I did get a little bit of fallout from the darker blue that I used. But it wasn't crazy fallout, but I did get a little bit. I'm in love with all these names, the names of the shadows. Let's go ahead and get started with this collection, and let's create this look. Okay, so now that I've already done my highlight, contour, blush, I'm going to go back into the Perception palette, and I'm going to take a little bit of the blue right here, and I'm going to go right across the bottom. For this look, I am going to use Quickie. I know that I can't wear that by itself, so I'm gonna line it with Chestnut by MAC. Now I'm gonna top it with the Neat Freak lip gloss. Oh my god, this is so cute. I'm gonna use the highlighter Boomin'. And let's see what we get. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Girl, let me tell you something. Let me tell you. Shayla, why you do this to us? Shayla? Girl, you did it with this collection. Colourpop, like, I am in love. Here's a close-up of my face. Like, it's looking so flawless. Like, listen, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you did, and let me know in the comments if you've tried this collection already, and if you haven't, girl, go get it. It's only $59 for the entire collection on Colourpop's website. So yeah, it seems like a win. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.